Hey everyone, today I want to show you why you need an intro design kit of passive components at your desk at all times. My name is Venkel Ltd. I am a Director of Business Development at Venkel. I'm going to walk you through this kit. So you'll get one of these, it'll come in this binder. When you open it up, it's a nice brochure about Venkel in case you want to learn more about us and our product offering and about the types of services we have, like supply chain solutions, barcoding, bomb crossing abilities. There's a ton of information in here, and if you need more information, you can always reach out to us directly. After the brochure comes the parts. Now you may be asking yourself, why do I need this? Well, it's because of those nights where you're searching for a 0402 jumper or a 0402 1 microfarad and can't find any and have to overnight stuff from a catalog house. No one really wants to do that and spend $100 in overnight fees. Just have the kit so you're ready to go whenever you need to. On the first page, you'll see 10 different parts from resistors to capacitors. Each part is in its own bag with its own QR code on there. The QR code links directly to the datasheet online. So if you need more information like the environmental test criteria or the electrical characteristics, you can go to that from this link. And then as you flip through, we have capacitors from an 0603 100 puff all the way to a 0805 50 volt 2.2 microfarad in X7R. We try to cover a broad range of capacitor and resistor values so that when you're fine-tuning your circuit, you can find what you need. And if you don't find what you need, you can always request on our website. All of our parts we're able to offer free samples for. So if you need 5 pieces or 200, just let us know. On the next page, you'll see 1206 to 1210. One of my favorite parts is the 1210 100 volt 4.7 mic. That's been really popular this year. On this last page, you'll see an 042 ferrite bead and then also a high Q inductor in case you're doing any kind of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi tuning. You'll also see 2 different options for 100 volt 1 mics, 2 LEDs, a green and a red in case you're checking to see if your device is coming on, and also a high voltage capacitor at the bottom in case you're doing any PoE or grounding needs. So this is the end of this kit. If you're interested in getting one, you can check the link below this YouTube video and sign up and we'll get one to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching and happy debugging out there.